Hi there, students. To ratchet something up, ratchet it up, a separable phrasal verb. This means to increase something in stages over a period of time. So not just to increase it all suddenly, to ratchet it up, to ratchet it up bit by bit. So the Bank of England has been ratcheting up interest rates. And this means that companies have been ratcheting up prices. Maybe they have been ratcheting up their pressure to get the countries to stop fighting. The tension between the two parties has slowly been ratcheting up. This will ratchet up the pressure another notch. I've been ratcheting up my efforts to bring this to a successful conclusion. So it's to increase something in little stages over a period of time. So now you're going to ask, what is a ratchet? Well, a ratchet is a mechanical device, and normally it's a wheel and a stop, and it only goes in one direction. So let's see. Yes, a ratchet. So I twist this and it comes to the next one and it sticks, and then I twist some more and it comes to the next one, and I twist some more and it holds on the next one, and each time it won't unwind, or it won't go down. And this is a way of lifting something up. Yeah, it's part of a machine that allows movement in one direction. It's normally a wheel with teeth and a bit that slides over, the different pieces, and that's the idea of a ratchet mechanism. It's effectively it's a tool. And then we have to ratchet something up, to increase it, to make it increase repeatedly, to increase it by small amounts. Okay, so to ratchet something up very, very slowly but surely, to increase, to make repeated increases by small amounts. Okay, so if you do things little by little, you are, or increasing, you are ratcheting them up. You are moving it upwards by degrees. To cause to move by steps. Yeah, I guess you could ratchet down as well, but most commonly it's to ratchet up, to increase by a fixed amount, but in various steps. And when you ratchet something up, it seems unlikely to decrease again. To ratchet up the pressure, inflation is ratcheting up. Expectations have been ratcheting up. Yeah, there's so much, the hype has been ratcheting up people's expectations about the future. The pressure is ratcheting up in intensity. To ratchet up the pressure. They are increasing it slowly but surely, making it more and more intense. To ratchet something up, to increase in speed, in intensity, in force, but over incremental degrees, to cause it to increase slowly, to ratchet it up, to make it continue. Let's see, I've also seen this word ratchet used as meaning to exciting or interesting or excellent. Yeah. Okay, so it's a slang word meaning exciting or excellent, but I think for me at least this is more unusual. Okay, so to ratchet up, formality. 4.5 informality. Use informally, use semi-formally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but not something very formal. And As to origin, it comes from French rocher, a ratchet, from Italian rocchetto, a ratchet as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ratchet up.